Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are working on my journal for the first week of November. Today is the 8th. I like to tell you what day it is because I do a lot of filming ahead. So I sometimes talk about things that you will hear about then in a month because, you know, I film ahead. Anyway, also, if you noticed, I do have a new desk. What happened was I was cleaning up after myself because I'm a good girl and I clean up after I craft, and I got rubbing alcohol all over the desk, and it was vinyl on the desk and it ruined the vinyl. So I was like, okay, I'll just replace the vinyl. I still have more. I pulled the vinyl up and it left a sticky residue, like really bad. It left a lot of glue behind. It was bad. It's still on my back porch and it's still not dry. It was really bad. I tried to rescue that top because I didn't want to have to waste money on a new top, but it was beyond repair. We're waiting for it to dry, and my boyfriend's just going to see if he can sand off that coat, and we'll put it somewhere until we need a tabletop. But yeah, and then I decided just to keep this the plain color and seal it because I was over it. Anyway, let's get started. So on the 1st, we finished my bed on the 1st. Also, everything in my craft room has moved around because while I had the table all apart because I had to take my desk apart, obviously, to take the top off, I decided to do some cleaning up and rearranging. So you will have to bear with me to make sure. You know what, I think I'm going to put it this way and have it flipping out with the journaling. You're going to have to bear with me the next little bit of where everything is because I moved so much stuff around. Like, all my tape is now in a drawer when before it was on the shelves on my desk. So, like I said, everything has changed. Isn't it lovely? I don't know what I was thinking, but it works much better. I had this big gray piece on my desk, and every time I did anything, it would bang against the wall, so I got rid of that. All right, so this day, we finished my bed. My bed got finished. If you did not know, the boyfriend, I got a new mattress, and I also got an adjustable base. Well, that adjustable base was so tall, and I don't know, you guys know, I have a wiener dog. Okay, and wiener dogs are not allowed to jump off of things because it could break their backs, and then you're paying thousands of dollars for surgery, right? So the boyfriend made me a bed, and here it is. He did such a wonderful job on this bed. Here it is in its entirety. It's a headboard and a base, all wood, all one piece. Well, not one piece. The headboard came in separate and can be taken off, but here's just the headboard. On the top is live edge wood. It's gorgeous. He had a piece of live edge wood down in the basement that was the almost exact right size. See, look at that live edge wood. And then he put in a recessed shelf right there. Let me tell you, he did such a good job, and it's amazing, and I love it. And also in here, I have, I guess I'll just, no, I wanted it over here. Well, I can cover my bed, the mattress part. Here's his drawing. I thought I would show you guys. He's freaking hilarious. Here's his drawing of what he was going to do to make the bed. I don't know how this translates, but it does. So I wanted to add this in here because he does just as good of drawings for projects as I do. You could tell neither one of us are professionals. That's about what my drawings look like for my craft projects. So there we go. That was that day. My kid went to D&D. All right, this day we went, I had to return my mom's stuff to the store. Okay, so I had to return my mom's stuff to the store. She just couldn't get down here to return it. So I returned it for her, and while we were there, we ended up buying some stuff. So yeah, we ended up buying some stuff. I went with my dad. I also grabbed washi because my washi is no longer in the same place it was, so I grabbed washi to add all this stuff in. Some fall washi. Okay, come on. This one, you could tell I never used it. And while we were there, we ended up getting a new coffee maker. We have the Flex Brew. We did have the Flex Brew from Hamilton Beach, so you could do pot or pod. And I said, like, the other day, I poured my coffee when it was still pouring out, and it was cold. So I was like, oh man, we're gonna need a new coffee pot. And then my dad made mention about something with the coffee. We are the only ones who drink coffee. My boyfriend hates coffee, and my son doesn't drink it. So when we went to the store, we got a new coffee pot, and it's the Cuisinart one. That's the one that we got this time. And then we got Chinese. I did not leave it as a suggestion. It was, no, we're getting Chinese for lunch because I don't feel like dealing. But hopefully now we'll be able to tell how long a coffee pot lasts. It's a really nice coffee pot, but it was expensive. I'm not all about $220 coffee pots. I mean, it was on sale, but geez. So, what else happened? I got a new comforter because my quilt is an oversized quilt, which was fine when we were up higher in the bed, but now we're not, so I had to get a new comforter. And when I say oversized, it's like 120 by like 110. It's a huge oversized quilt. And what else? Oh, the boyfriend went to his friend's house to watch the Gators game, and that's when he texted me to tell me that there was a fire on the mountain. So there was a big fire that ripped through on the local mountain, where some of our mountain is part of the Appalachian Trail, and it ripped through. It's been really dry. We haven't had rain in like 40 days now. So it was really dry, and it destroyed 600 acres or it went through 600 acres. It was insane. But here's where I live, and you could just, all that white stuff right there, not clouds, that's the smoke. And I live about 17 miles. No, 17 minutes. I don't know how many miles it is, but it takes from this house to where that is, that's 16 minutes. So it takes about 19 minutes to get where the mountain is. So that's how far away we are. And you could just see the smoke. See it. It was bad. It was bad. It was bad. Yep. It was all over TikTok. I don't know if you guys saw it. It was all over TikTok. It was not good. But I think, and I don't know what happened. It got stopped talking about. So we ran a bunch of errands. I didn't really read anything. I didn't really do anything. We went shopping. We ran errands on this day. Once again, I hadn't been in the mood to read basically the whole week. And then this was election day. We'll just move on. I came down to craft because I didn't want to deal with seeing any election news. I finished my mom... No, I didn't finish my mom's cards, but I did take a picture of them this day to let her know that I finished them. I don't know when I finished them, but the picture was taken on this day. So, there it goes. Moving on. And then... so this is the day that the boyfriend went back to work, and I was so thankful the boyfriend went back to work. Listen, it's not that I needed a break away from the boyfriend. I needed a break away from... That's it. This one goes over here. Yes. There we go. That one goes over there. I needed a break from the dog. If you know a wiener dog's love language is food and cuddles. That's what a wiener dog loves best. Food and cuddles, okay? And the entire time the boyfriend was on vacation, the entire time, the ween would sit in front of him and whine. And dachshunds do this whine that is like, it's this low, crying whine. And he sat there and did it for hours on end because he wanted treats, because my boyfriend gives in. I don't give in. He does not get treats from me. I never give in. I'm like, I know, I feel like it sounds like I'm saying I'm much better than everybody else, but I just don't do it. I don't give in. So, I just realized something, because it's been so long. Right here, I can use one of my page kits. It's been so long since I used one. I put all kinds of crap. There's all kinds of stuff in my page kit because my other one was last month's was what? I don't even remember. Halloween. It feels so long ago. Anyway, I don't feed the dog treats. I just don't do it. Like, that's not my life. He gets one every once in a while, and that is it. But that's it. I don't give him anything else. But my boyfriend does. So he whined and cried the entire time the boyfriend was on vacation. The entire time, everybody. To the point where I just wanted to scream. So when it was time for him to go back, I was so thankful. And you know what happened that night? It was a Wednesday. You know what the dog did? Laid on the bed all night long. Didn't ask to go out, didn't ask for food, didn't ask for water, laid on the bed and slept. And then my boyfriend's like, you're a liar. I'm like, no, I'm really not. This is exactly what he did. I'm sorry, but it is. It's exactly what he did. But yeah. I was so thankful, but that's the only reason. And I told him he needs to stop giving him food all the time, so hopefully that will stop and he won't act like that anymore. But it was annoying. All right, what else do we have? That's all. That was all for that day. And then we have this day. I have journaling. It's okay. We're all okay here. I said I passed out at 9:53 the night before. I did. This was a Thursday. Wednesday, I passed out at 9:53. Yep. And I didn't wake up until 7:22 in the morning. And it felt so good to have such a long, good sleep. Like I said, my boyfriend being on vacation, like, really threw things off. Okay. And then I said, now that the boyfriend's back at work, we can get back to our regularly scheduled program. But did I? Nope. Nope. I did not. I didn't do anything. I did some online Christmas shopping. I made a gift for my mom that she wanted for Christmas. I went for a walk through the neighborhood with the neighbor, washed dishes and made dinner. And then, oh yeah, I started getting my headache got really, really bad. I said, I just want the 2-year-long headache to go away. I do. I can't deal with it anymore. It's been way too long. And then I read 4 books, but don't be like, oh, you read 4 books? Yeah, they were Amazon original short stories, so they were like 30 pages, 30 to 40 pages. That was it. So I read these. And then I think I DNF'd one that I really did not like. So I DNF'd the one and never finished the other because I think there's 6 total. Also, you guys, when I made this journal, you never reminded me that I have fall charms. So while we're in here, let's put a charm on this with a paper clip. Yeah, I completely forgot about it until I moved everything around on my desk. And then I went, oh, that's right, I have charms. So what do we got? What do we have? Is that all of them? Yep. Okay. Let's just do the pumpkin. Let's just do the pumpkin. Or should we do the sunflower since there's flowers on here? Let's do the sunflower since there's flowers on there. And for these, I literally just don't even use a jump ring. I don't even have any jump rings. So that's all. But now I feel better. I bought them, so I'm glad I at least used one. And I think all my fall projects are done. I did all my videos. I filmed, I think, 14 videos while the boyfriend was on vacation. I didn't stay down here super long. I just wanted to film a few every day. So I believe all my fall projects are done, and now I'm on to Christmas projects. I gotta remember that's in there. Look, I found this too. I gotta remember that's in there for my journal. Or was I going to use it on my December daily? I already made my December daily. Yeah, this is why I shouldn't buy things in advance. Alright, so that was really it. I didn't do much yesterday. Today I went to BJ's with my dad. And yeah, that's about it. I really need to... I should just tape this down because there's no need for this. And I could cover it with a... Should I? Should I do a page kit on it? Or just tape it down and ignore that it's like that? What do you guys think? I wish you could tell me what you think. If I flip through and I see something that's calling to me, then maybe I'll use it. But if I don't know what is going on here, then I'm not going to use it. I don't know what's going on upstairs. Oh, what is in here? We have... That's too big. Very sad about that. Too big. And we'll just ignore it because nothing else was calling to me. Alright, that's it, you guys. It's not very exciting. It's been a really long week. I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired. Like I said, it's just been the boyfriend going back to work after being on vacation for so long and having, like I said, my craft room is all different than it was. And I don't have time to come down here and clean it and do anything to it. So it's just how it's going to be for the next few days. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.